Hi, my name is Raj Tambar and today my brother challenged me for a bake-off. If you may wonder what exactly is a bake-off, it's basically a baking competition. Baking a cake. My brother thinks that he's the best pastry chef in the world and my brother also thinks that he can beat me in a pastry competition. So today, that's what we did. We went to the grocery store, we picked up one basket and we decided, Jo bhi lena hai, it will be an individual effort and it will be an individual competition. So here we are, competing against each other in a bake-off. And if you're thinking right now that my brother is really good at baking, he's not. But I won't say anything, you just watch the video. Okay guys, so this is my ingredients. Very simple but very effective. I've got nectarines, eggs, dark chocolate cake, desiccated coconut mold, and Abbas is going to explain his.
माझं खूप straightforward आहे. So gluten-free chocolate mix, Ferrero Rochers, Brazil nuts, hazelnut spread, अंडी आणि जादू हाताची.
So there was change in the plans. The competition was between us three, but M is going to be the judge now. So M is going to be the competition of the judge. So basically,
Competition of the judge.
M is going to be the judge of the competition. So basically, you guys, all the people who are watching the video, you and Mrun are going to judge our cake.
They will be visual judges. Like
yeah.
a judge, yeah. And I'll taste it for you guys, okay? And I'll be very honest.
Not necessarily. माझा केक असा तुम्हाला taste होईल.
Okay, so tell me the name of your cake. What exactly are you cooking?
Ferrero Madness.
Okay, my cake's name is Mixed Moon Plum Cake. Mixed moon coconut plum cake.
Actually, nice.
Mixed moon coconut lava plum cake.
Wait a second. What is mixed? What is moon?
You'll see. Why moon? You'll see later. It's gonna be Ferrero Madness versus Mixed Moon Chocolava Plum Desiccated Coconut Cake. The name is...
Actually, it's not cakes, it's muffins.
Abbas is gonna cook his cake completely different than mine. We're not gonna share any ingredients between us.
Actually.
But he can't eat chocolate, so he's
अरे
out.
little bit, एकदम थोडंसं.
नाही, आवाज. 09. तुझा बाहेर.
And how confident are you, Abba?
Out of 100, 110.
It's actually very easy to beat Abbas because he only talks. So he never walks the talk, so I'm pretty confident when I know. I'm gonna put dark chocolate as the lava. So when you cut the cake, the dark chocolate is gonna come out. This is how you win a cake challenge, guys. मी काय म्हणतो बटर मेल्ट करून टाकायला लागतं का?
मी सांगणार नाही काही पण.
मी तू तुझं बघ, मी माझं बघतो कसं करायचं नाही.
I'm microwaving the butter.
And you didn't measure it. You just took it on your own.
Yeah, it said 4 tablespoons of butter, but then like I know की एवढ्या बॅटर साठी किती केक लागणार आहे, किती बटर लागणार आहे.
ते मेजरिंग कप्स आहेत का? तिकडे मेजरिंग कप्स आहेत बघ ना. Show me.
See, this is how it looks. 4 tablespoons of butter.
राजनी हे बनवलेलं आहे पण साइड बाय साइड त्यांनी काय केलंय ते सुद्धा बघा. So your batter is ready.
My batter is ready.
And now Raj will take over and then he will shoot Abbas, and in the meantime can I please make my
Chai?
Sure.
This is all these ingredients. Abbas has changed his ingredients. That's पहले हा chocolate cake नव्हता.
Okay.
So this is a sign of being scared, by the way, just letting you know.
I was like, muffins are for losers, you know. Like, muffins are too easy.
मला एक सांग, इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लाते कहाँ से हो?
आहे काय रहा? मन से रावण जो निकाले, राम उसके मन में.
Anyways तू झाल्यानंतर मेसेज होणार आहे किचन.
Exactly.
माझं होतं कधी?
But we'll clean everything after we are done.
माझं कसं आहे माहितीये का, त्या केक मध्ये मी टाकतो आजूबाजूची एनर्जी. ते जापनीज व्हिडिओज बघितलेत का तुम्ही? ASMR चे तसे असतात माझे केक्स.
You know what's the best part? That you're saying all this right now, and I want to see your face when you lose, like really bad. So I've got all this recorded.
पॉसिबलच नाही राहणार. पावभाजी म्हणा, पनीर बटर मसाला म्हणा, बटर चिकन, रोटी, भाकरी, पिठलं. पिठलं येतं ना पण बाप, पालक पनीर.
Already Bruno is on my side.
सगळं दिखावाच करतोय आवाज.
तुम्ही एंड रिझल्ट बघा काय करणार आहे.
काय चुकलं स्वतः?
काहीच नाही, मी just बघतोय.
He was asking Siri what is 2/3. So we were basically watching a lot of MasterChef in the last month, and that's where the inspiration came from. We've been watching a lot of dessert making competitions and a lot of things. So dessert. So how are you going to decide about the cake is you guys are going to comment below only the names Abhas or Raj. Okay, Abhas or Raj. Show you the end result of both of our dishes, and you guys are going to decide whether I won or he won. So Mrun is going to be the judge for the taste, and you're going to be the judge for the presentation. So overall, jitne votes count honge और जो भी जीतेगा, so we'll calculate accordingly.
This is how you prep for a cake. जो रात जैसे नूब्स होता है उनके लिए I'll show you. तो यहाँ पे मेरा gluten free chocolate cake mix है, ठीक है? I've got जितना पानी है मैंने मेजर करके ऑलरेडी रखा है, इतना बटर है मैंने ऑलरेडी मेजर करके रखा है. Okay, my workstation is clean क्योंकि केक बनाने के लिए cleanliness बहुत ही जरूरत है.
Doesn't matter.
Okay, उसके बाद once the batter is ready, it will go in here. इसको मैं बटर से थोड़ा सा ऐसे मस्त ग्रीस करूँगा, so that when it comes out like a.
अरे ठीक झाला है.
जो पहली बार कर रहे हैं उनको लगेगा शिट कि कितना बड़ी दिख रहा है, but the more you mix, the better it looks.
That's what I always say. You should always walk the talk. It does not look appetizing at all. I mean, look at mine. This is how it should be,
And
right?
it's got a shine.
It's got a perfect shine. The glaze
glaze,
matters.
the batter. And
My
look
cake
at,
is rich है यार. ये तो मतलब
तो मतलब तुम्हारा
सुनो,
केक डेंस होने वाला है. ऐसे बहुत खाने के लिए डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा ना मेरे लिए.
खाने के बाद डिसाइड करो ना.
ये करना क्या बोलते हैं, स्वॉलो.
ये तो दूध देखो, शुगर फ्री, ग्लूटेन फ्री, एग फ्री, तो ये सब लोग खा सकते हो. ऐसे नहीं है कि थोड़े ही लोग खाएंगे. मेरा केक कोई भी खा सकता है कि तुमको कुछ गिल्ट नहीं होगा.
Guilt. कौन सा guilt? Because his cake doesn't look good at all. So he's just finding stupid reasons to convince you guys how good the cake looks and stuff. So, nah.
Wow. I'm gonna have the biggest.
This one. This is the worst batter I've ever seen. Look, oh my god, look at this. I know. And what about the Ferreros? याचं काय करणार आहे? काही नाही.
And this competition has turned from being me versus Raj to me versus Mrun and Raj. अब टेस्ट नहीं जाएगी, okay?
So we're gonna put it in the oven now.
Guys, so ये देखो.
The outcome is going to show the result anyway. So
उनको मन में अभी पता चल रहा है.
so stay tuned. कुछ भी.
मी डिसिजन घेईन त्यांनी अनबायस्ड घेईन आणि सगळं टेस्टवर डिपेंड असेल.
Okay. Yes. This is how my cake looks right now. See? Amazing. I mean muffin, and this is what Abbas is. Okay guys, so my dish is ready. So this is my mixed moon choco lava cake with nectarine and coconut. And Mrun is not watching. And yep, you can open your eyes. Ta-da!
Delicious.
So she's gonna try out.
Looks
6 on 10.
nine. I'll give it an 8.
Okay.
But can you just explain what's the moon part in this?
Okay, so the moon part
the
was
sense.
yeah. So on top, plum is like a dark moon. So I was representing plum as a dark moon. Yeah, and then I was cutting the moon slices like that, plums, and then that was the moon part, and this is the desiccated coconut on top.
What's that star?
Yeah, so it was representing the sky. So the black dish was the sky, and these were the stars, and this is the moon.
So when I cut this open,
Yeah,
do you think it'll flow out?
I think it should. Yes.
What will flow out?
The lava.
Lava. The lava should flow out from. Okay.
Ooh, it's gooey.
It is gooey.
Okay, so that's a good thing, but it didn't flow. Hey, no, actually, not bad. Okay, not bad.
Okay.
But this is ooze out होता तसं नाही झालं.
Okay.
But because I know that this is your first cake attempt, really good.
Okay.
I'll give this a 7.5.
Thank you.
This oozing factor आहे थोडा आहे इथे थोडा.
मला असं वाटतंय की हे कुकच झालं नाहीये. अंडर कुक असतो ना असा केक.
I will give this 9 out of 10.
Really? Is it that good? Nice.
That's good.
Yowza! The gooey factor was less definitely because मुझे लगा था कि chocolate बहुत ज़्यादा डाला तो वो overflow हो जाएगा. So I was scared, so I put less chocolate in it.
I think there's a clear winner maybe.
लक्षात ठेवा काय बोललेलो टीम आहे दोघं आता म्हणून माझा केक टेस्ट न करता म्हणते क्लिअर विनर आहे सो
Appetizing, does it? I don't know about the taste, but looks wise points already गेले तुझे. हे बघतात.
म्हणजे एवढा अमेझिंग केकच पाहिला नाहीये मी ग्लुटन फ्री आजपर्यंत.
Guys, I mean, I don't know what to say. I seriously don't know what to say.
खास है जिसके मन में अंत में जीत उसी की रहे. फरेरो रोस्टरची काय कन्सिस्टन्सी आहे ऍक्च्युली म्हणजे ना त्याचा मी लाडू पण बनवू शकतो.
इथे पण full complete.
Okay guys, so this is my dish. So as you can see, मी हे डेकोरेशन केलंय.
Dun ta da!
Actually, interesting.
As you can see,
It's not breaking.
I mean, it's a bit denser than Raj's cake, but बघू हा
-1.
taste बघू ना पण.
Taste 10 on 10 असणार obviously. You have to understand it's gluten free, egg free, sugar free. Okay.
चांगला लागत नाहीये.
इतकं खोटं बोलतायत ना म्हणजे आजच नाही.
I mean, had it not been for Nutella. आणि Royce.
Wow.
Okay, guys, so you saw the reaction of us eating the cake, which was not really good.
Amazing.
It smelled, it tasted like I was eating cement, to be honest. It was that bad.
Looks ला 8 मार्क पण टेस्ट ला 5.
हे बघा. Why would I eat if it was not tasting good?
All you have to do is comment below Raj or Abbas तुम्हाला कोणाचा केक आवडलाय presentation wise because of course. That's pretty much it for the video. If you guys like the video, please like the video, subscribe to my channel, comment below, and as I always say, take care and peace out.
Healthy cake आहे हा.
Horrible.
खूप amazing.
ते नटेला नसताना फेल म्हणजे मी तो टाकूनच दिला असता.